Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting the essential identifiers, model name and serial from packaging or the case. Next, inspect physical details, logo sharpness, seam quality, and the lightning or 3.5 mm connector, because originals have consistent finishes and clean printing. Once done, power the device. Open the AirPods case near your iPhone or plug wired earpods into a known good port to confirm an automatic pairing prompt or immediate sound. This proves basic hardware function and narrows. Now you verify digitally. Pair the earphones to your iPhone and open settings to view the device name and serial number. This is faster than guessing. Then input that serial into Apple's coverage lookup or check the pairing card that appears. Genuine units show firmware version and model specifics. Make sure the pairing behavior, firmware updates, and case functions, LED, double tap options, match genuine patterns, because counterfeit units often fail to report correct serials or show inconsistent software responses. Finish with functional and tactile verification. Run an audio call and voice memo to test the microphone and left/right balance, then try gestures or active features to confirm behavior. Compare weight, magnet strength in the case, and cable or stem finish to a known genuine pair. Subtle differences reveal fakes. If something still looks off, document serials and behavior, then contact Apple support or your seller for a refund or inspection. This step saves you from keeping a counterfeit product.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.